Here we got 1968 Pontiac GTO 400 4-barrel. Engine's all decked out in chrome and everything. Probably it's not a stock engine though, because it's got Edelbrock heads. Yeah, it's well, wait a minute. It's got Edelbrock heads on it. Edelbrock manifold, intake manifold, Edelbrock. Looks like the carburetor too. She got like a type of performance exhaust manifolds. It's all black on black.
All right, welcome. If you just joined us, we're pleased and great.
Of course, you have your tachometer in the hood there. Ram air. Got the hood pins up on there. GTO embossed in the seats. Got the gauge package. Of course, I like the vent window. You need that thing. Right?
That looks like a Marine.
Huh?